Hey guys, and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to rename prompts and chats on Gemini AI. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I already have a prompt right here and a chat. So first of all, what I would like to show is how to rename the chat. So right here is my chat, and if I hover over it, there are these three dots at the rightmost corner. Let's click on it. And here it is, the rename button. Let's click on it. Now I can rename this chat as well. And if I do want to add an emoji, I can add from clicking this button right here. Let's click on it. There are lots of emojis here. You can select from anyone you wish. I'm gonna select this one and simply hit on rename. Now you can see that my chat has been renamed. Now to rename the prompts, if you hover over this prompt, you can see something like a pencil icon. If you hover over it, it will show this edit text option. Let's click on it. Now let us simply rename this prompt and click on this update button. Your prompt will be renamed. But do note that doing this is equivalent to writing a new prompt. Well guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.